So that was the video that I made using the Fujifilm XS10 and XE3 with the kit lens attached. So welcome back to Fuji Noob channel, where a noob like me is using Fujifilm cameras. Okay, so yeah, all of the shots here were taken using the Fujifilm camera with the help of the Unreal Engine 5.1. Okay, so the first shot that I want to talk about is the intro of Dewa Brahmanta. Okay, so this is the original shots, and then this is the edited one. So of course I edit the mountains and the effect, the landing effect of Brahmanta. So this scene were edited using After Effects. Next that I want to talk about is when the transition from the main character to the mountain, where they walk through the sunset. That was using the Unreal Engine 5.1. I made the mountains and the blue screen for the main character, like they are passing through. Okay. Then the next shot was a composite shot. It's I added some of the mountains and trees behind the main character. It's using After Effects. Okay, so this was the original shot and this was the edited one. Next shot, I shot this in the studio and using the blue screen, added some effect using the After Effects. I made the background using the Unreal Engine 5.1. It takes time, of course, because the PC is not that fast. Okay guys, moving on to the next shot. This shot when Ankara, or the main character, or carrying the woman Adinda in a forest. So I made the background using Unreal Engine 5.1, and this shot was shot on XS10 with the lens kit attached. Okay, so I made this project with my friend using two cameras, XE3 and XS10. The kit lens of Fujifilm is sharp enough. Even it's more than what I expected as a kit lens. It's really sharp. The background I made using Unreal Engine and the main character I shot using the blue screen, they have almost the same sharpness. So that kind of helped me matching the scene, and also the sharpness is, Fujifilm is a little bit sharpness. For your information, all of the shots for video I use +4 for sharpness. Okay, so let's move on to this shot. This shot was shot from low angle, and then I added the bodies, I added the embers, I added the background, of course. Moving on to the next shot. This shot was a little bit fake. Yeah. You can see that the glitter has no reflection or shadows. I forgot to add. But still, this kind of okay for me. And the last but not least CGI that I made in this movies or film, I don't know, in this project, is when the meditation of Ankara. This shot was epic, really epic. I really like this shot so much because it's so real. I mean, like, it's so it feels like the character is there, because I can make a pull-off shot, backward moving shot, just like he was meditating there. Okay, so this was the real shot with the blue screen, and then the edited with the Unreal Engine I made. There is no After Effect involved in this one. So yeah, if you want to watch the full video of this project, I will put the link on the description. Maybe I will upload the result around next week. Okay guys, so that's all for today's videos, and just for you to know that even Fujifilm cameras can make a video like this with CGI and things and that. Okay, so of course there is plenty things to improve in my CGI video, of course, but yeah, you still get the point. You know where you will start. Like, you can do this even with the XS10 or XE3. So make sure to subscribe, guys. I have only 3 subscribers. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, man. Support me. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will upload the result of this video in the next week. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.